My name is Momoka Gomi, and I'm taking part of a sustainable fashion, pattern cutting and draping course. This course is all about sustainability, so how to reduce the waste in the production system, and which is very important for me because I want to use my woven fabric for a garment project, which my woven fabric is literally my sweat and tears, everything. I spent hours of creating a piece of fabric, so I don't want to waste any of it. So she's teaching me how to work with squares, which is essentially there's no waste at all, and like how in the past and ancient Greek people using priests to create like a dresses with just a piece of square fabric. And there's so many different ways. And I think this course is amazing because there's so many books and research has been done, and the tutor just brought up all the knowledge in her head, and just whatever the question I ask, she always has suggestion. Maybe we can try this and this and this. And I have absolutely no idea which ideas I'm going to use in the end, but so far, just loving it. All the bits on information, so important, it's really great. So I'm taking this course thanks to very great funding called Quest, which is a shortened word for Queen Elizabeth Scholarship Trust. And they found people like me, craft makers or craft person, and to expand their knowledge. So the funding is mainly for the educations. And I was lucky enough to receive this funding last year. So this is the first course I'm taking part, and then I'll be taking another intensive pattern cutting course with London College of Fashion next year. It's been absolutely amazing opportunity for me. I think it's very important to be open and just to listen other people who are taking courses as well, because this is a great opportunity to meet someone like-minded people, and it doesn't really matter how old they are or what backgrounds they have. It's just so nice to be able to share the ideas and listen to their projects or thoughts and why they were doing this course as well. So just be open-minded and just listen.